The law is not being followed.
Now at 10, the widow of a slain police officer takes legal action in the fatal shooting that took the lives of her husband and his partner. A gunman killed the officers as they responded to a stabbing.
The widow blames L.A. County and DA George Gascon, saying the gunman should have been in prison. KTLA's John Finolio live in downtown Los Angeles with a closer look at the case tonight. John?
Sure, Micah, good evening to you. This was a horrific crime that stunned a community and devastated multiple families. Now, tonight, this legal claim is a precursor to a lawsuit the family plans to file in the coming weeks. But legal experts say that any claim, any suit against a sitting district attorney is likely an uphill battle. They were two of El Monte Police Department's finest, Michael Paredes and Joseph Santana, shot and killed in June by convicted felon Justin Flores during an ambush.
It's the DA's responsibility to make sure that he is following his legal obligations and following the law.
Now, Janine Paredes, who lost her husband, is filing a $25 million claim against L.A. County District Attorney George Gascon and the county probation department, insisting Flores should have been in prison at the time of the shooting.
Both the department and the DA's office had simply done their jobs. Sergeant Paredes would be here today, as well as Officer Santana.
Under Gascon, Flores was on probation, awaiting 2021 charges on gun and drug possession. Flores also had 19 criminal cases against him in 16 years. The claim also alleges the county probation department failed to act on reports Flores was in violation of his probation, which could have put him back behind bars.
The law is not being followed by our district attorney and making sure that the California three-strike law is being put into play.
Janine Paredes claims Gascon's criminal reform policies are dangerous. KTLA legal analyst Allison Treasel.
While California does have a three strikes policy, it is up to the district attorney in each county to determine what cases to file as a third strike case. And that is not something that can be legally challenged. While there may be a lot of political fodder and discussion here, whether DA Gascon belongs in office or whether he is abiding by the state's three-strike policy, there is also a lot of governmental immunity and protection for him. He is an elected official, and generally speaking, public officials cannot be sued over policy decisions that they make.
Back in June 2021, Gascon said that Flores' plea deal and probation was, quote, appropriate under the circumstances. The DA's office today issuing a statement saying that they have not received the claim and cannot comment at this time, also adding that their hearts go out to the victims of this horrific tragedy. We're live downtown. I'm John Finolio, KTLA 5 News.
John, thank you.